A backyard barbecue party is always a mouth-watering idea. Friends and family will be thrilled to join you. Instead of heading to expensive restaurants, why not host the event right in your own backyard? Let's make your barbecue unforgettable with these 10 affordable ideas for building a backyard barbecue area that will impress your guests without added stress. Take a closer look, and as always, subscribe to keep new updates delivered to your feed if you haven't done so already. Number 10. Grill Island Covered with Stone project idea. This project blends a modern and natural aesthetic, making it a perfect fit for your backyard. With some basic skills and the help of good friends, you can build this grill island in just 2 weekends. Start by constructing the frame from 2x4s to create sturdy posts. Once the posts are in place, run stretchers between the posts at both the top and bottom, front and back. Next, sheath the frame with plywood cannels. After that, attach wire lath to the plywood, trimming it if necessary. Apply a mortar-water mixture onto the lath with a trowel, then score the mortar before attaching the stone. 9. Simple brick barbecue project idea. With the right tools, skills, and a bit of creativity, this project is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Gather your materials: gravel, metal barbecue grates, mortar, bricks, and cement. Start by selecting a location, clearing the area, and leveling it for a solid base. Mix the cement to create the foundation, allowing it to set for at least 24 hours. Carefully lay the bricks onto the mortar, ensuring they are squared and aligned layer by layer. Continue this process until the final layer is reached, varying the height of the bricks for added visual interest. For a polished finish, create a concave depression at the top and refine the surface with a stiff brush. Number 8. Round brick grill project idea. This project promises to be a breeze. Forget about cement or mortar. All you need are some bricks and a barbecue grill. It's quick to assemble and incredibly flexible. Choose your spot, gather the bricks, and arrange them in a circular formation. That's it. Ensure your base is level for a stable and sturdy construction. 7. 2-in-1 pit and grill project idea. This design is similar to the previous one, but offers a circular shape that serves as both a fire pit and a grill. Gather your tools and materials, then select a location and lay the footing. Think about the interior and grill base, allowing it to set for a minimum of 24 hours. Carefully place each stone in a circular pattern, softening the corners to create a smooth look. Surround the fire pit with stepping stones and add half-inch pea gravel in the center, topped with extra logs or coal to enhance your creation. 6. Backyard Barbeque Area with Pergola project idea. This project is more involved and requires basic carpentry and bricklaying skills, but the results are rewarding. With proper landscaping, it can significantly boost your property value over time. Start by laying a solid foundation and ensuring that all water, power, and gas lines are in place before pouring the concrete. Begin with the first course of cinder blocks, then continue laying the next courses. Set up your electrical and water lines and pour concrete for the countertop forms. Build brace forms for the upper countertop. Once complete, mix the stucco with your desired color and select your tiles, applying the edge tiles first and laying the center tiles diagonally. Install lights on the doors and add a roof cover for night grilling. Finally, fill the area behind the pergola with dirt. Your long journey has finally come to an end. 5. Charcoal grill on the cheap project idea. This is a handy solution for a smaller and more portable grill. Gather the materials I'm about to list and you'll be ready to go. First, prepare 2 racks and 2 pans, then assemble them according to the provided picture. Position the grill on cinder blocks to prevent burns and excessive heat. And there you have it. Just keep in mind that this grill isn't as robust as traditional ones, so adhere to fire safety rules. Number 4. Fantastic grill with a gazebo project idea. You might call this a grill-zebo. At first glance, it appears to be a standard gazebo, but upon closer inspection, it features a grill. This versatile design allows you to enjoy barbecue parties in both sunny and rainy weather. It also serves as an attractive outdoor bar. This setup is perfect, not just for conventional grills, but also for your existing patio. Personalize it with lighting, accessories, glass racks, or coolers. Visit home improvement stores and team up with a friend to tackle this project over the weekend. A helpful tip, using pressure-treated wood can save you about $400. 3. DIY covered patio project idea. Feeling exposed to the sun and unprotected from rain can make barbecue parties a hassle. A covered patio offers a practical solution. Let's explore this project. Among various roofing options, I recommend trellises, which provide shade and dry space. Start by calculating your patio dimensions and selecting the appropriate wood. Ensure that your posts are squared by measuring both horizontally and diagonally. Proper reinforcement and bracing are essential, and remember that an effective drip irrigation system will be beneficial. Set up post holes and install brackets, beams, diagonal cross braces, lag screws, and cross members for the hanging baskets. Nail them in place and attach the pre-stained lattice to the cross members. Next, focus on the roofing by installing metal bracing to secure the structure and finalize the bracing. 2. Luxurious granite grill project idea. This project revolves around 3 symmetrical elements: the grill, a granite top, and a cutting board. First, measure the grill dimensions accurately to avoid any modifications. Granite is durable against heat and weather, making it resistant to rust over time. If you're not overly concerned about neatness, this option is perfect, as it can be cleaned effortlessly. Pair it with wood for a rustic yet captivating look. For added convenience, install hidden wheels on each leg for easy removability. This design prevents water puddles, giving you the impression of a floating grill. Before we wrap up our countdown, remember that every like, share, and comment helps us reach a wider audience. If you've watched this far, you know what to do. If the new voice kept you tuned in, give the video some hype to help it reach new heights. But if that feels like too much, just know you've done great by spending your valuable time here. With that, let's close our countdown with... Lastly, number 1, platform deck project idea. If you're looking to expand your backyard, a platform deck is a great option. Check out this charming design. Here are some advantages. 1, being detached from the house gives you flexibility in placement. 2, it requires no deep footings. 3, there's no need for stairs or railings. 4, it's a manageable project, complete with an instructional link in the description area. With minimal construction experience, you can finish it in a weekend or 2. A final tip, always have fire extinguishers nearby during barbecue parties. These exciting and budget-friendly ideas will entertain your guests like never before, allowing you to skip the traffic, long lines, and crowded roads while heading to your favorite restaurants for barbecue fun. Oh, and by the way, at the SimFoam channel, you'll discover a range of lists that you won't find anywhere else. For example, we offer insights like 10 small bedroom ideas with beak beds, 10 interior design tips to improve your sleep quality, and 10 creative DIY projects to revamp your shoe storage, among many others. Each list is compiled through extensive research and careful writing, with relevant sources included to enhance your learning experience. So, what are you waiting for? If you have some free time and internet access, follow the link in the description to fully explore what SimFoam has to offer. That's it for now. Before you go, please like this video if you enjoyed it. Feel free to comment or share it with your friends on social media or via email. Lastly, we look forward to seeing you again soon with more videos like this. Until then, thanks for watching.